Can small, open-source language models match frontier AI on complex agent tasks? Developed collaboratively by researchers at Shanghai Jiao Tong, Shanghai AI Lab, Harbin Institute of Technology, and Tsinghua, this work tackles a major bottleneck in deploying cost-effective autonomous agents. Instead of expensive fine-tuning, Skiller treats procedural checklists as optimizable policies. A frontier teacher acts as an actor-critic, iteratively debugging and refining skills based on runtime execution logs. Think of an agent skill as a standardized operating procedure. It does not just prompt the model, it tightly constrains its action space, enforcing tool conventions and preventing erratic exploratory wandering. Here is the twist. Skills engineered for frontier giants fail completely on compact models. Small models lack implicit verification discipline and easily derail when given complex, multi-branched instructions meant for Opus. To fix this, Skiller builds an interactive reinforcement learning loop entirely in natural language. The compact agent generates traces, the critic pinpoints the exact failure step, and the actor edits the text. Notice what happens here. No neural network weights are touched. The frontier critic and actor produce localized, bounded text edits, building helper scripts and self-validation routines directly into the skill artifact. The payoff is remarkable. On SkillsBench, a consumer-grade Qwen 9B model running Skiller achieved a 74% pass rate, outperforming Opus while slashing output token costs by 167 times. Skiller proves that compact, cheap models can deliver frontier-grade agent reliability when guided by tailored procedural skills. Next up in Part 2, we will dive deep into the formal mathematical mechanics. Can prompt engineering really beat doubling model size? On software engineering tasks, a 4 billion parameter model using Skiller beats a 9 billion parameter model run with human-written skills by nearly 15%. To optimize without gradient backpropagation, Skiller builds a structured state quadruple. It pairs the model's live execution trajectory with an offline privileged reference, grounding every judgment directly in verifiable test diagnostics. Optimization flows in an automated loop. The compact model rolls out in the environment, the critic diagnoses causal failures against reference traces, and the actor edits the text artifact using historical replay. Instead of unconstrained rewriting, the actor executes 4 bounded operations. It inserts specific constraints, replaces failing workflows, deletes hallucinations, and creates deterministic Python helpers whenever the compact model risks computational overload. The benchmark results are striking. On SWE SkillsBench, Skiller boosts the 9 billion model to over 82% pass rate, while elevating the 4 billion model past every competing baseline and human skill. Why do human-written skills struggle on small models? Human instructions assume vast working memory and self-correction. Skiller eliminates argument hallucinations by replacing broad cognitive leeway with rigid, machine-tailored input validation rules. Learning happens rapidly across 5 reinforcement steps. In Step 1, course execution eliminates syntax errors. By Step 3, verifier diagnostics enforce tool order, converging cleanly without memorizing instance-specific text. Looking at skill structure reveals the secret. While standard baselines inflate prompts with 1,800 words of boilerplate, Skiller cuts text to 500 words and offloads complex logic to executable code scripts. The big is clear. Compact agents do not need massive parameter scaling to master complex workflows. They need verifier-grounded procedural constraints that systematically prevent failure before it happens. Why pay $15 for bloated prompts that fail half the time? Targeted behavioral alignment gives compact vision language models state-of-the-art accuracy at a fraction of the standard token cost. Small models easily choke on long, wordy system prompts. Skiller offloads multi-step reasoning into external executable code, keeping prompt text minimal while letting deterministic tools handle the heavy computational lifting. Shallow prompt rewriters are cheap but plateau early, while open-ended generators burn $15 on run-on text. Skiller balances token consumption to hit top accuracy across 5 challenging benchmarks. Convergence speed mirrors domain complexity. On complex software tasks, the critic first resolves coarse runtime crashes before layering in subtle constraints. Simpler routing benchmarks converge in just 2 iterations. The feedback state balances 4 distinct signals. Task intent and current behavior anchor the update, while reference trajectories and verifier diagnostics refine it. Missing either grounding signal causes catastrophic failure. Stripping the task or trajectory collapses SkillsBench performance from 74% down to 1%. Without seeing the exact failure and task contract, the editor cannot synthesize an actionable behavioral fix. Inside the critic prompt, 4 discrete operations turn raw logs into precise edits. Skipping bounded generation cuts code performance in half, while omitting error localization blinds the model to root causes. By treating the agent execution loop as an interactive environment, Skiller proves you do not need wait updates to overcome model mismatch. Precise external skills unlock outsized capabilities. When agent skills rely purely on text instructions without executable helper scripts, benchmark performance crashes by over 30 points. The secret to reliable self-improvement lies in turning feedback into bounded, executable code. The critic inspects every failed rollout through 4 structured operations. It audits Oracle independence, compares against reference traces, isolates the earliest causal error, and generates strict surgical file modification commands. First, the critic verifies task completion without cheating. Next, it pinpoints where execution diverged from the canonical path, identifies the broken skill instruction, and emits mechanically applicable diffs under 30 lines. Ablating the actor reveals why each constraint matters. Stripping out helper scripts cuts SWE-bench score by 30 points, while removing preservation rules causes catastrophic regression by overriding previously verified task logic. The actor turns critic diagnoses into executable updates. It enforces diff budgets, compiles deterministic subroutines into helper scripts, freezes working lines, and outputs a complete, validated JSON skill bundle. Embedding complex workflows directly in prompt text invites formatting drift and token truncation. Offloading deterministic computations to helper scripts lets small executor models trigger reliable actions through a single shell call. Each optimization round caps rollouts at 30 tool steps across 3 iterations. Rollback snapshotting automatically restores previous checkpoints if a regression occurs, while strict filters reject any leaked Oracle solvers. Critic localization thrives on structured software tasks where causal traces are repeatable. On open-ended web search benchmarks like Jaya, failures stem from missing external evidence rather than faulty skill logic. Through iterative refinement, skills transform from vague procedural guides into budget-aware control policies. By anchoring route paths and enforcing exploration limits, the agent stops repeating infinite loops on new instances. Why do brute force prompts burn millions of tokens yet fail at basic coding? Autoskill spent over 1 million tokens, while targeted contract feedback hit peak accuracy with a fraction of the compute. Instead of rewriting the entire system prompt each iteration, the agent preserves a fixed 7-phase lifecycle. New failure evidence gets compiled directly into tighter boundary rules around discovery, imports, and verification. Watch the policy evolve across 3 steps. First, we establish standard TDD grounding. Next, we cap runaway exploration loops. Finally, we lock down exact database profiles and strict compile time interface contracts. A locally plausible edit will still crash if cross-file signatures or database profiles mismatch. Grounded verifiers convert single failure trajectories into project-wide invariants, preventing entire families of regressions before code completes. Skiller proves that agent learning is non-monotonic. Token volume matters less than verifier-grounded feedback.